Hello everyone, my name is Rosana Nabat, and here is my audience. So now I'm going to start. Have you ever thought about how much garbage you produce every day, or what happens to the trash once it goes to the landfill? You might have thought it goes away forever since it's taken away from you, right? But it's not the case. The trash that's buried deep inside the earth, even if it is from 100 years ago, will still remain alive. The most alarming issue that the world is facing right now is the mounting waste problem, and the effective way to start solving this issue is by recycling. So today I'm going to emphasize on the global trash problem and its consequences, why recycling is an effective option, and how we can make a difference. According to the news article published by Environment America Research and Policy Center in September 2021, the United States produces more than 12% of the planet's trash, though it is home to only 4% of the world's population. In 2018 alone, the United States threw out over 292 million tons of municipal solid waste, which was a 5.7 million increase compared with 2015 levels. We humans are generating too much trash and cannot deal with it in a sustainable way. As a result, the amount of garbage produced has a variety of negative effects on the environment, including harm to public health, impact on wildlife and the ecosystem, and damage to the rising catastrophic climate change. The worst case scenario is predicted to happen if the issue is not taken seriously. The research article by Roland Geyer et al., professor of industrial ecology at the Brin School of Environmental Science and Management, University of Carolina at Santa Barbara in July 2019, mentioned that as of 2015, approximately 6,300 metric tons of plastic waste had been generated, and if current production and waste management trends continue, roughly 12,000 metric tons of plastic waste will be in landfills or in the natural environment by 2050. Therefore, considering this information, we can be sure that how the global waste problem can be our downfall in the same way as it is for the environment and the wildlife. So what can we do to reduce this problem? The answer is quite simple, and we all know that. It is recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste into useful materials in order to reduce pollution on land and in the oceans. Recycling benefits the environment in a variety of ways, including protecting natural resources, conserving energy, reducing air and water pollution, and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Moreover, it lowers the amount of trash sent to landfills. Abdul Ghani Al-Suaibi, professor of English at Salalah College of Technology, Sultanate of Oman, mentioned in his article in 2014 that it is possible to clear 8 cubic yards of the landfill when recycling only 1 ton of plastic bottles. Therefore, recycling reduces the quantity of waste reaching the landfill, so one can imagine how much space could be saved to create a more hygienic environment. The benefits of recycling is not limited to this only. According to Dr. Osama Asanosi Lama, Department of Soil and Water, Faculty of Agriculture at Bani Walid University, mentioned in his article in 2021 that recycled office papers can save 27,300 liters of water, 2,450 liters of oil, and almost 78% of your pollution can be reduced by recycling paper. By reducing municipal waste, 178 metric tons of greenhouse gases were reduced in 2017. So, as we can see, recycling can create a vast positive impact on the safety of the environment, and it's necessary to know that every effort counts, and even one person can make a huge difference. So, if we truly want to protect our earth from turning into a giant garbage monster, why not start by recycling yourself? You might be wondering how. I can give you plenty of examples. Why not go from using disposable cutlery and bags to reusable grocery bottles, bags, and utensils? And before making a new purchase, consider buying second-hand items and donating your old ones. By doing so, you will be saving them from ending up in dumps. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, we could save 544,000 trees if every household in the United States just replaced one roll of virgin fiber paper towels with the recycled ones. So to conclude, We now understand how the growing amount of trash on Earth affects the environment, how recycling can be a useful tool for protecting the environment, and how an individual household can contribute to recycling. Hence, it is crucial that we take this situation seriously and start taking the actions. So, are you prepared to recycle waste products and help preserve the environment? I hope the answer is yes. Thank you so much.